Hi, welcome back to Official Video Tutorial. Today we're going to cover about Template Maker. Template Maker is a new feature that we just added to Official, I think a few weeks ago. So in the Template Maker, you can find the Template Maker on your sidebar. Here, click, and then you'll see there are two template makers here. One is the resolution, another one is letter template maker. So what it does, it helps you to create a template of resolution or of a letter that you want to use it over and over again. And then because you are the company secretary and you know the situation better, you can craft your own template and then it can be used uh, for any entities under your organization. So for instance, I want to create a resolution maker. I go to resolution maker. There are a few buttons here: new resolution, constitution list, content list. Okay, we've prepared a few of them. So if you go to content list is the most important part, because essentially it is the content of your resolution. So if you can see, this is the first example that we have. So resignation of directors. So we click here. You can type here, you can make it bold, put an underline to your sentence, and then you can create this. And if you find a tag with the $sign in front, it means that it can pull the information from the database. For this, for instance, in this case, it says here director name. So you go to select item, choose director. There are many tags you can choose from. Say name, my card or passport number, the email address, the declaration date, the appointment date, cessation date. You can choose it. So in this case, I want to display his name. I'm going to choose name. I'm going to choose the email, the my card or the passport number. So because it has this tag, $sign tag here, it will find this in the database and pull it and put it into this. So in this case, I'm going to choose cancel. So I'm going to create a resolution for this. Go back to resolution list. For example, in this case, I'm going to click here. So this is the sample that I have created. I'm going to call it director resignation resolution. I'm going to choose style 2. Type is, you can choose any type here. In this case, I choose director circular resolution pursuant to paragraph 15. You can choose section 306, 302, section 29, 291, subsection 1. It depends. You know the act better, and you can add it if you want. Go to click button, add constitution, and start typing it. Okay, and then you choose the content. So I have created one, so I choose resignation of director. Okay, so this is how it look like, and then signed by all directors, and I put some tags here. Okay, so I'm just going to click update. Okay, done. That's how we do it for resolution. So let's go to another template. So if you have a director that wants to resign, so you got to produce a resolution, and you got to produce, well, you can help your client by producing a resignation letter. So you go to letter template maker, you go and create your content. So this is the content that I have created before this. So put this, then update, and then create a letter. So this is the letter, this is how it looks like, and then I'm going to put the director resignation letter from the director to the board of directors, and then I choose director resignation and put these tags. Okay, done. So I have created two templates. One is the resolution, another one is the letter. So how we can use it? You go to the entities, select the which entity that the director wants to resign. So go to people. In the people, it shows you there are two directors. Okay, but one of the director has indicated that it wants to end his service as a director for whatever reason. Okay, so here Farid, you click edit, and then you put a resignation, put this date here, okay, and you go back, you select this, you go to generate, and then say resignation. So there are two resolution. One resolution, you click here, comes from here, and then click generate. It generate, and then you can see it in minute book. This is director resignation. So this is the template that you just created. And you want to create a letter. So you choose again for it and generate, say letter. So there, you must be coming from me on the date of the 30th, and then click generate. So you generate the letter, click view document. So this is it. It's simple. So that's how you do, and that's how you use the templates. So you can create any template, you can tag the information relevant to the director, to the members, to the entities, you know, and then you can include it. You create the content, you can tag the data and put it seamlessly into the content, and then you can create whatever resolution or letter, and you know, can go crazy with this template maker. So try it on. Hopefully this feature will help you to create your own resolution templates, but of course we on our side we will keep continuing adding resolutions that is almost standard to any of the entity activities. For example, the resignation, the appointment, to a removal of secretary, auditors, or director. So we will add that. But if you have your own unique scenario, you can go ahead to the template maker and create your own resolution and letters. Thank you very much for following this video tutorial. I hope you will find it useful, and we're going to add more and more videos later on our YouTube channel. Thank you once again. Bye.